Hello everyone, thank you for the opportunity given by the organizers to present our work. My name is Belmahi MH and I'm the Dean of the Faculty of Processing Engineering at University Constantine III in Algeria. And I'm going to present to you our work on the risk assessment of fluorosis in the Algerian subsaharan region. Fluoride is a widely used element and essential for the different functions of the human body, with a daily dose that should not exceed 0.05 milligrams per liter according to the World Health Organization. It is mainly used for the prevention of dental caries but constitutes considerable health risk at high doses. The objective of our study is to determine the level of fluorine contents in the waters, dates and tea in three zones, mainly endemic, which are Biskra, El-Wad, and Constantine, which will serve as a comparative witness to assess the risk of fluorosis. The determination of fluorine is done by colorimetric method of Belcaire West, after validation of the technique according to the recommendations of the SFSTP 2006. Fluorine was measured in 16 samples of water distributed by public drinking water supply services and 3 samples of spring water consumed by the population, 2 varieties of green tea, Safin Sahara and Khayma, and 1 variety of dates, Digelt Nor. This variety is the most consumed by the population. Now turning to the results of our study. Biskra has the highest fluoride levels, which exceed the standards required by the WHO by 0.8 ppm with an average value of 1.09 ppm for the tap water and 1.07 ppm for source water. In the Constantine region, the average fluoride levels are low and do not exceed the standard required by the WHO for source water and tap, 0.268 and 0.49 ppm respectively. In El-Wad, an average of 0.42 ppm was recorded in tap water. The level is low despite the region being declared as an endemic area for fluorine, while it should be noted that the drinking water supply in this region in recent years is made only by the algerian groundwater source for fresh water table, which contains high levels of 2.56 to 5.21 ppm fluorine. Currently, the phreatic area is used exclusively for the irrigation of palm groves and other crops that are consumed by the population of the region, which increases the level of ingested fluorine and therefore the risk of fluorosis is still present. For dates, we found a rate of 35.6 milligram per kilogram, comparable with the result of Zubaydi, which was 30.8 to 74.5 milligram per kilogram. In addition, the fluorine contents in green tea infusions varies depending on the type of tea leaves used and the level of fluorine in the water used in the preparation. Safin Sahara was 2.03 ppm and 1.62 ppm, and values close to those found by Zubaydi, which are 1.88 to 2.88 ppm. It was decided to calculate the amount of daily fluorine ingested after consuming 1.9 liters a day of water and 0.2 liters of tea and 100 grams of dates. The fluorine level is estimated according to the following equation. We found in our study that the daily consumption of fluoride is 4 times higher than the WHO standards in the region of Biskra and 2 times higher in El-Wad. Zubaydi found that the daily consumption in El-Wad is 6 times higher than standards. We can explain this difference by the period of study, which is not the same, and also through the treatment and purification of drinking water and irrigation in this region. Epidemiological studies show that the rate of dental pathologies has decreased in recent years. This can be explained by the decrease in fluoride levels in these regions and the much greater use of mineral water. In the Algerian sub-Saharan region, excessive consumption of drinking water and certain basic foods such as tea and dates with fluorine levels above the norm is a risk factor for fluorosis in this region. Decontamination of drinking water and public awareness of the region seems necessary.